Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now my peeps, I put on, like, what I have here is some beetroot and carrot. All right, I'm gonna make some beetroot and carrot punch. So what I'm doing now, I peel the carrot, cut them up, beetroot, you know, same thing. So I'm just gonna cook this like for, I say 5 to 7 minutes. Cook it, let it cool down. You're gonna take most of the beetroot color, and then I'm gonna blend it with some milk. You can use sugar, whatever you want. All right, and I'll be back. Oh, let me give it a stir. It's a lot, guys. So after it boil out, yeah, this beetroot like really pale, but don't throw away the water, all right? Because after it cool, we're gonna use the water to blend it. You can do it raw as well. You don't have to cook it, but I'm cooking it because I'm gonna drink everything. But you can blend it or juice it. It's up to you, like raw. Okay, so about 5 minutes. Turn the stove off, let it cool down. We're gonna come back and blend it up. Okay. All right my peeps, I'm back and this is it. I didn't blend it the same time. All right, I put it in the refrigerator. So basically I'm just gonna take some of the beetroot water and everything. We're not throwing nothing. All right, guys. You can do it raw, you can cook it, it's up to you. All right, that's it. Get some juice. I'm gonna do 2 blend. All right, let's blend this first, and then after I blend, I will blend the rest. I'm gonna blend it first, and then I'm gonna have some condensed milk, some nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice or mixed spice, and vanilla. I'm also gonna add some almond milk. This one is unsweetened. You can just use water if you want, it's up to you. And so I use this, oops, full. I don't have to use a lot of milk. You can use some brown sugar too. All right, we're gonna blend. All right. Oh, what happened to it? Oh. Guys, mine's gonna be really smooth, so if you want to strain it, you can go ahead and strain it, but if you have a powerful blender, it will blend it like in puree. All right, and you don't have to strain it. All right, catch that. All right, really smooth. Then you want to just go ahead and pour it out in a bowl, whatever you have. See that? So I don't need to strain it. You can strain it if you want, it's up to you. All right guys, I have that to blend, and then I'm gonna come back and sweeten it. I'll be right back. Okay. One whole bowl. Oh mamma mia, it's so much. Because we're not wasting on the peeps, we're gonna put some mixed essence, just a little touch. 2 teaspoons vanilla. I'm gonna grate some nutmeg when I put the phone down. A little bit of cinnamon powder. You can put some Guinness, some Dragon, whatever alcohol, some rum cream. You can add to it, but I don't want to put no alcohol, guys. I'm just gonna drink it as is. I'm gonna put some condensed milk. You don't have to. I'm gonna put a little, like half can, or less than half, because I add the almond milk. You can just go with the straight almond milk if you want. And if it's not sweet enough, you can go ahead and add a little bit of brown sugar. I don't want mine to be too sweet, but if you want it sweeter, add a little bit of brown sugar. So it's gonna look something like this, and you can strain it if you want, guys, but you're not gonna get much out of it if you strain it. Like, see, you already smooth. It's like puree. All right, I'm gonna just grate this nutmeg. Grate some nutmeg, because I'm holding the phone, and this is how it's looking. That's it. Put whatever you want in it. A half can of Dragon, a half bottle of Dragon would be nice in this. I'm gonna drink it as is. All right, guys, go ahead and strain it. Remember, if you want to put a little brown sugar if it's not sweet enough. All right, well, let me get a glass, and I'm gonna finish mix it out, and that's it. All right, my peeps, I'm back, and I throw some in this container, and I have some ice cube. It's up to you, but I didn't blend it with any ice, so I'm gonna put some in. Something like that. Wish me well. Let's pour the big one first. Clean that after. This is it. This is the final result. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna drink like all of this right now. All right, you know, say beetroot, good for your blood, like gonna purge and clean your blood. You can go straight brown sugar if you want, guys. If you add honey, it's gonna be a lot of honey to sweeten this. Maybe you can use some natural sweetener, like some dates or something like that. Do whatever you want. All right, but this is it. Or you can do straight almond milk and then some brown sugar. Drink this, guys. You'll never get weak again. Yeah, strum up the man them back. All right, guys, I'm gonna slowly come back with some juice recipe. Repeat some I have done in a long time, and some new ones. And if you know a video that you want me to do, leave it in the comment section. All right, my peeps. Yeah, enough love. All right, and this is my beetroot and carrot. And this is how it's looking, guys. Really thick. You can add more liquid to it if you want. All right, this is just like a meal replacement. All right, yeah, some people who can eat hard food and all, this is just right. As I said before, you can add Ensure nutriment. You can put peanut punch. You can put Dragon, Guinness. You can put a little what do you call that, rum cream, like that, whatever you want. Usually I would add some sea moss to this. You can add even sea moss as well, but I just want to keep it as is. If I want, I can add it later, but maybe another video. You can add some sea moss gel as well. All right, guys, super healthy, gonna clean and build your immune system. All right, strong up your backals as well. Good for your blood, good for your body overall. Pack, good for your eyesight with the carrot, and it's good for your blood. If you're anemic and all of this beetroot is really good. Beetroot lower blood pressure as well. Yeah, it's super good, super food. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys. Oh, I forgot I was gonna taste it for you guys. Yeah, see the goodness. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. Mm. If you want to strain it, you can go ahead guys, but oh, it's so good. Have a good day. Bye guys. Remember to smile, remember to pray, love upon your family member, love upon each other, tell each other how much you love them and appreciate them. Yeah, and put God first, and just remember to smile a while and give your face a rest. Bye guys, have a good day.